Where'd you get that watch?
Huh?
Where'd you get that watch?
It's down. It's right there. Okay? Put it right there. Put it right there.
Oh, does she leave it here?
Yeah.
But you go give it back to her tomorrow.
Yeah.
Did you see the moon tonight?
Yeah. I head over here. I head over here.
Where's the moon?
Over there.
Oh, is the moon up there?
Yeah. Somebody broke that moon. Somebody broke that moon.
Yeah, it's broken moon, isn't it?
Yeah, but
It's a quarter moon.
Let me go up there and fix it.
You gonna fix it?
Yeah.
I got a feeling the good Lord will fix it.
No, I need airplane to fix that moon.
No, it'll be fixed. That's just part of it, honey. You have full moon, half moon, new moon, no moon,
This moon, okay?
moonshine.
I need airplane to get that, okay?
Is the airplane gonna fix it?
Yeah. And we're going to fix it by our stuff, okay?
Mm-hmm.
How's it working?
Have you been playing with your big number 4 tractor today?
Yeah.
Where is your number 4 tractor?
It's gone.
There it is.
Uh,
Can you ride that?
no.
I'm gonna ride it. That's my tractor anyway. Isn't that Pappy's tractor?
Yeah, I'll ride it tomorrow, okay?
Are you-
Ride it tomorrow, okay?
You ride it tomorrow?
Yeah.
Whose boy are you?
Great boy.
Whose boy?
Great boy.
Pappy's boy.
Great boy.
Pappy's boy.
Not great boy.
I remember that.
That's not Pappy.
I remember that. I guess I'll just take my tractor back home since you're Grammy's boy. I'll just take it.
Okay? Okay, make it up. Okay, 2 times it will go away. And make it over here, okay?
Okay. You're not gonna break that little girl's watch, are you?
No.
You better not, because that's not yours.
This is glass. Remember that over here glass? Baby, this is glass.
That's glass.
Yeah, they don't break that glass and somebody fix it too.
No, you don't want to break the glass.
No, but somebody will fix it too, Pappy. Okay?
Somebody will fix it. Tell me what happened to your television set,
I got them off.
Hunter. What happened to your television set?
So we break it.
Who braked it?
Con did.
How did Colin break it?
The waffle break it.
He threw what?
The throw through